Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled amidst misty mountains, there lived a wise Zen master revered by all. He was known for his profound wisdom and gentle demeanor that touched the hearts of everyone who crossed his path. Amidst his disciples was a young boy, curious and eager to learn the ways of the world. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting hues of orange and pink across the sky, the young boy approached the Zen master with a question burning in his heart. "Master," the boy began, his voice barely above a whisper, "why do we suffer? Why do we endure pain and sorrow in this world?" The Zen master, with his eyes twinkling like stars in the night sky, beckoned the boy to sit beside him. With a serene smile, he replied, "Life, my dear child, is like the ever-changing sky. Just as the clouds pass by, so do our joys and sorrows. But within every cloud, there lies a silver lining, a lesson waiting to be learned." The young boy pondered the master's words, his gaze fixated on the distant horizon where the last traces of daylight lingered. "But how do we find peace amidst the storms of life?" he asked, his voice tinged with uncertainty. The Zen master placed a comforting hand on the boy's shoulder and said, "Peace, my child, resides not in the absence of storms, but in the calm that lies within our hearts. Like a sturdy tree standing tall amidst the howling winds, we too can find solace in our inner strength." With each passing day, the young boy immersed himself in the teachings of the Zen master, eager to unravel the mysteries of life. Together, they would sit beneath the ancient Bodhi tree, their voices mingling with the rustle of leaves in the gentle breeze. As the seasons changed and years flew by like fleeting moments, the boy blossomed into a young man, his heart brimming with wisdom acquired from years of introspection and contemplation. One fateful day, a great tragedy befell the village, shattering the peace that once reigned supreme. A fierce storm ravaged the land, leaving destruction in its wake and testing the resilience of its inhabitants. Amidst the chaos, the young man sought the counsel of his beloved master, whose unwavering presence was a beacon of hope in the darkest of times. "Master," the young man cried out, his voice trembling with emotion, "how do we find meaning amidst such devastation? How do we pick up the pieces and rebuild what has been lost?" The Zen master, his eyes gleaming with compassion, placed a reassuring hand on the young man's shoulder and said, "In the face of adversity, we discover the true strength of our spirit. Like the phoenix rising from the ashes, we too can emerge from the depths of despair, stronger and wiser than before." With renewed determination, the young man rallied his fellow villagers, igniting a flame of resilience that burned brighter than any storm cloud. Together, they toiled day and night, rebuilding their homes and their lives with a sense of purpose that transcended the pain of the past. As the days turned into weeks, and the weeks into months, the village flourished once more, a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people. And amidst it all, the wise Zen master and the young man stood side by side, their hearts intertwined like the branches of the ancient Bodhi tree, their souls illuminated by the light of enduring wisdom. For in the journey of life, as fleeting as the clouds passing by, it is not the storms we weather or the trials we face that define us, but the strength of our spirit and the depth of our humanity that ultimately guide us home. This is God of Motive. Thanks for watching and stay focused.